Good morning, guys. Today is the 24th of March, my first vlog to cook. Today we're going to cook lemon chicken and my special fried rice for the main, and I will try to do a salmon tartare for the starter and a mixed seafood soup. So I'll be getting ready in a minute to go to the supermarket and buy our ingredients, and we'll go from there. I'll see you later. Thank you. Welcome to Lion's Kitchen TV, and now we are our menu for today is lemon chicken with Lion's special fried rice, and our soup for today is the mixed seafoods, and we will prepare a salmon tartare for our starter. Here are all the ingredients, and I will prepare everything in a minute, and I will show you and guide you how to cook everything and prepare everything. Hello guys, now we will I will guide you how to prepare and cook lemon chicken and salmon tartare and mixed seafoods soup. Okay, we'll start first on the lemon chicken. I've already prepared the chicken, diced them, and now I'm gonna mix all the ingredients that needed for this chicken. Okay, alright, first I have Xinhua wine. It's a Chinese wine, cooking wine. Okay, a bit of soy sauce, then sesame oil, Okay, and now we will leave this chicken to be marinated about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll proceed to another menu. Like I will do the salmon tartar while we are waiting for this. Okay, we'll set it aside. And then I had got lemon skin here. I've already prepared them a while ago. You just need to slice them. Okay, with some lemon. Then we'll add the lemon juice here. Chinese cooking wine, honey, sesame oil, soy sauce, sugar, pinch of salt, and white pepper. Mix it. Set that aside. Use it later. Alright guys, we're back and now we're prepared the salmon tartar. And I have a bowl here, and then we have the smoked salmon. We just need to mix everything. Now the mango, enjoy the mango. And then we'll add some onions. By the way, I've already sliced the ingredients a while ago because it will take like ages if I want to prepare it. We got the tomato slice. We got the green bell pepper, celery. Get the spring onions. I do already chop it. I've only used the green bits. And then we got some parsley. And now got some maple syrup. We'll add Just form a circle, okay? Need to press it so it will stick together. There. That's our salmon tartar. Another menu, another meal, but for the meantime, I'll see you later. Hello guys, we'll cook the lemon chicken now. Our marinade is ready. We just put them straight to the cornstarch. Okay. And now the oil is preheated now. Let's check if it's ready. Just put this spoon here. If it bubbles and it's hot and ready. Okay? And now, don't overload your chicken when you're deep frying, okay? Guys, we're back. Now we will prepare the lemon chicken sauce. Got some butter here, garlic, we'll prepare the sauce while the chicken is frying. Onions. Parsley. Pinch of salt. White pepper.
I took overtime in night shift, so I better get these.
Chinese cooking wine.
Yeah, they put positions, but there's like more than 4 of them they I took overtime.
And then the lemon juice that we made.
Yeah.
Milk.
It's annoying because they just literally finished hiring for their new year.
Pineapple juice.
Thank you for the part-time. And usually get overtime. Kuya!
Kumusta?
Kumusta?
Okay?
Early shift.
We'll add cornstarch.
So you have... Tulungan niyo kayo siya.
Rice. And our seasoning. Black pepper. Soy sauce. Pinch of salt. And then mix it. Hello guys, this is our finished product, our lemon chicken, our special fried rice, our salmon tartare, and the mixed seafood soup. Enjoy and bon appetit! Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.